Then let's win.
All of my friends call me BNS, oh, oh. Oh. I know I'm gonna win some, and I'm surely gonna lose some too. See, but I've got my mind on this, yeah. Give me something, make I hold on to, yeah. I want to win and never lose. You hear the sound I produce. I know you wanna hear me sing, yeah. To all my people, make you join me sing, yeah. Wale wale le. I know they bother, ooh, cause I'm getting wins out of losses.
It's my soul, it's my soul. You know something?
You are sweating.
Yes.
Please, are you okay?
I'm trying to check the acidic content of the malaria issues, which has emigrated and eliminated in the process of making it majestically helios. So please just give me a second. And yes, I'm meeting the major. Get the simple instructions.
So then I say,
oh, come on. Like how? What do you say?
You are here.
So I'm saying. Oh, come on. Come on. What's it? My age 14 years.
14 years.
I've been in Dubai. I've been in South Africa. I'm a medical professional doctor. You know what I'm doing? What's it? F1 and F4. What's it? Get inside, my friend. You're distracting me. Get inside. And make sure you lock the door. The last one and don't come out again. Watch out. Financial one, say, I better me power. My father would say, check it there. Egg right now.
I'm getting with our losses. Tell me who the fuck gonna stop this.
I know they bother, cause I'm getting wins out of losses. Tell me who the fuck's gonna stop this. I know they bother, so I'm getting wins out of losses. Tell me who the fuck's gonna stop this. I know they bother, cause I'm getting wins out of losses. And tell me who the fuck's gonna stop this. Yeah. I know they bother, cause I'm getting wins out of losses. And tell me who the fuck's gonna stop this. Cause I'm forcing.
So as I was saying, yeah, I'm done. I've taken the temperature and the result of the air which is elevating, and the height,
Doctor,
and then
what are you saying?
philosophy of the malaria. Of letting you know, malaria now, I'm not telling. I'm not saying where mini malaria they are all saying no mobile. The way my protection already and their nose masks, the malaria, the mosquitoes. Please sit down.
Hey.
And yes, you can't say you are afraid that they won't see you. Collapse. So let me give you
Doctor, what I saw and what you are saying are two different things.
Meaning what?
I tell me who to see. Doctor, what you know what you mean? I don't know which of you.
Yes, it's not your work. It's not your work. It's not your it's not your work. I can explain it. I know what you mean.
Okay, what baby?
Now let me give you the medicine. Like, you go to buy Rastunol 4. Say Rastunol and Amincabel.
Sorry.
So after Amincabel, make sure. You say what?
You are not a correct doctor.
Are you showing what you do, ma? Maybe papa.
Doctor, maybe you say you can't fool palm and crofano. I know what's coming here and China. Oh, show me view. You are watching things. Me now, I knew something would happen. I knew looking at your hair. And your neck and your beard.
I can explain the reason why I have this, braid on my hair. Wouldn't say my hair grew 42 years, as I could buy 14 years. Me problem. So I told the doctor, say I can work. I'm a professional, but my hair will always be like this. If they are okay, they are. Then I'm like, I'm going to stay over there. Maybe no hospital. And I said, yeah, they're okay with it.
What future?
So let me give you the the medicine that you're going to buy. So you buy
one. You're a professional doctor.
I'm more than a professional.
You hurry up.
What's it?
You leave.
I should do what? No,
You leave. It's okay. I'll take it.
No one told me I'm going. I need to give her medicine. I need to. I mean, make sure I take care of because I must say here.
I'm from.
I must say here. Me go. Me. Debbie.
Me patch doctor call. You. It's okay. Just leave. Go.
No, what responsible? If something too happen to her.
Nothing will happen
What
to
it?
her.
I mean, yet when I come in on. Come with this.
Doctor, it's okay. Go away.
It's okay. I'm
going
going
to find the hospital.
hospital.
Gina, I said I'm fucking you. Why? Eba. I'm going to fuck you. Ah, we'll say crying in the crowd. Come on, have a one friend doctor. And that's what you can't hear for.
What's the episode? What's it? Or what? Anything of so number. Remember number 07. Number. Get a G.
Listen, uncle. You are still like how be Uncle hospital. When you name so your son doctor cry. Ah. Come for a while.
Cause I'm getting with our losses. Tell me who the fuck gonna stop this.
Wale, I know they bother, cause I'm getting with such losses. Tell me who the fuck's gonna